Welcome back to Core Tech. Today we're exploring NVIDIA's mid to high-end graphics powerhouse, the 2026 NVIDIA RTX 5070 Ti. Built for gamers and creators seeking strong performance at a more accessible price point than the flagship RTX models, the 5070 Ti combines next-generation architecture, improved ray tracing, and AI-driven features to deliver a well-rounded experience in 2026. Market position and target audience: 2026 NVIDIA RTX 5070 Ti. The 2026 NVIDIA RTX 5070 Ti targets gamers who want premium-level performance without the extreme cost of higher-end models. It's ideal for 1440p gaming, capable 4K experiences, and content creators who rely on GPU acceleration for rendering and editing. NVIDIA positions it as a card that balances performance, features, and affordability for a broad audience. Ada Lovelace Architecture: 2026 NVIDIA RTX 5070 Ti. At the heart of the 2026 NVIDIA RTX 5070 Ti is NVIDIA's Ada Lovelace architecture. This new generation provides improved power efficiency, faster ray tracing cores, and AI-accelerated tensor cores. The result is smoother gameplay, higher frame rates, and superior support for advanced visual effects and rendering workflows. Gaming performance: 2026 NVIDIA RTX 5070 Ti. In practical gaming tests, the 2026 NVIDIA RTX 5070 Ti delivers high frame rates at 1440p ultra settings and respectable performance at 4K. Competitive titles run smoothly, and AAA games maintain consistent performance thanks to efficient core management and NVIDIA's DLSS 3 support. It's an excellent choice for gamers seeking both quality visuals and responsiveness. Ray tracing and DLSS 3 to 2026 NVIDIA RTX 5070 Ti. The 2026 NVIDIA RTX 5070 Ti offers upgraded ray tracing cores for realistic lighting, reflections, and shadows. With DLSS 3, gamers can upscale resolution without losing image quality, achieving higher frame rates even in ray-traced environments. This combination makes immersive gaming more accessible at mid to high resolutions. Thermals and power efficiency: 2026 NVIDIA RTX 5070 Ti. Efficiency is a key highlight of the 2026 NVIDIA RTX 5070 Ti. NVIDIA has optimized power delivery and thermal management, keeping temperatures stable even during long sessions. Quiet cooling solutions maintain performance while reducing fan noise, making the card suitable for a wide range of PC builds. Content creation and productivity: 2026 NVIDIA RTX 5070 Ti. Beyond gaming, the 2026 NVIDIA RTX 5070 Ti excels in content creation. Video editing, 3D rendering, and AI-assisted workflows benefit from the card's enhanced CUDA cores and tensor acceleration. Creative professionals can enjoy faster rendering times and smoother multi-application performance. Software and ecosystem: 2026 NVIDIA RTX 5070 Ti. NVIDIA's software ecosystem enhances the 2026 NVIDIA RTX 5070 Ti experience. GeForce Experience allows easy driver updates, performance tuning, and instant sharing. Studio drivers optimize the card for creative applications, ensuring reliability and compatibility across professional workloads. Final verdict: 2026 NVIDIA RTX 5070 Ti. The 2026 NVIDIA RTX 5070 Ti is a well-balanced GPU that delivers excellent gaming and creative performance. With next-gen Ada Lovelace architecture, strong ray tracing, DLSS 3, efficient thermals, and robust software support, it's a smart choice for gamers and content creators seeking high-end features at a mid to upper price point in 2026.